have to do this move.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's
So
not
far,
good.
because the feet movement are the same. Okay, now we'll combine them, but we'll go real slow at first.
We're doing it all.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't we have to get lower?
So, keep the feet moving the same. Don't pause. Just move your hands to a different position. That's all. Okay, I'll try a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. You got through level 6. Now, that you got moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you may want to know how to combine all of them. Okay, this may seem a little surprising, but steps 3, 4, 5, and 6 go together perfectly. But if you want to combine steps 1 and 2 with 3 to 6, you need to know 2 more steps in between, and I'll show you how. Now, to fill in the gap between the first 2 steps with the last first steps, I'll show you how to do it.
Last first.
Okay, it's like a little ship, like this.
Oh.
That's pretty easy, right?
My boobs
But
are
make sure your hands are wide open, like a big
You're
bear.
not in this, I don't think.
And when you go forward, your right foot
Do a trio. Yeah, move forward back.
and you should lean forward, like that. And then you move.
Oh, no. It's your right arm doing that.
What?
Is it?
And you'll lean back.
Oh, Rachel, Monday's a dance.
That's pretty easy, right? So let's add it all together. Hands out and go. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Oh, is that you three?
Now, I'll teach you the second part. What you do, step by step. Right hand first, you do 1,
Oh,
2,
good.
and you slide both of your hands out at the same time. Like this. Pull your hands out, and your wrist should be like that.
Oh.
Goes out and touch.
Okay, very good.
And that is kind of like a pose. So it's pretty easy. The fast
Oh,
version
is that up
this.
here?
1, 2,
Not
Real
really.
slow at first. Hair hug. Let's go. 1,
2,
2,
3.
1.
Oh.
Down.
Down.
Insert.
Faster, and then we're done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. You know, it'd be much funner if you had a few friends in the dance. So,
You
here they
got
are.
friend envy.
Oh. Oh, she's gone wrong. I thought it went wrong. We're
Well,
doing this.
sometimes you
That was
make mistakes. So, let's try again.
Oh, completely.
You know, it would be much funner if you had a few friends. Good job.
Oh, no. Oh, good. Oh, go and do that again.
So, that last sequence that I showed you was about 41 seconds, but a real Bollywood dance would be about 3 to 5 minutes. But don't worry, you will get there. I hope this was really fun, and please practice your
really
dance
fun.
moves. Until next time, bye!
Oh, that's much nice. Oh, still recording.